What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, and welcome to another driving through Jamaica.
Alright, so we're currently in Spanish Town, guys, in the Angels community. Angels Plaza is over here on my left. So yeah, I'm actually going straight into Greater Portmore right now, so I'm gonna drive through the town of Spanish Town and go into Greater Portmore. Yes, I'm gonna get some lunch from Mega Mart in Portmore. Trust me, guys, if you're in Portmore one of them lunchtime, check them out. The food is good. The food is really, really good, yeah? And this is not a paid ad. The chef no know me. The manager for Mega Mart no know me. Probably the server them know me because I'm go there regular, but them just do them work. This is not a paid ad. The food is just damn good. So yeah, trust me, the food is good. Just a regular rice and peas with fried chicken, that's good. Or if they have Barbie fry, you can try that. My least favorite thing to get from them is Barbie jerk or their baked chicken. I don't really like it. But anything else, I'm good. But if they do any form of Barbie jerk thing, I don't like that. And I don't really like the baked chicken that much. But trust me. Alright, so I'm gonna head through the town of Spanish Town. Yeah. See what's happening in there. Yeah, this is the bypass. We just continue on that, but let's see how the town looks. Alright. I think this is Brunswick Avenue. Stop walking out in the street like that, yeah? Trust me. Like, before I could drive, I used to just walk on the road and stuff, and Jamaicans have this stupid style and this stupid mentality. Oh, them have to stop. Make them lick me. Sort of rubbish. We say, right? And you see, the very first time I went in a car and actually drive, like I say, okay, I'm driving, and I realize that, you know, I'm not talking just sitting down in a car and whatever. The moment I was driving and see all the responsibility of a driver and all of that stuff, I realized as a pedestrian, you need to pay attention because no car no must stop and driver no must see you. Telling you, driver no must see you. People can be driving and be distracted by a whole heap of stuff. So you don't know that. And then the thing is, when you get that lick there, you know, you can't unlick yourself. You have to stay lick. You understand? Yeah. So people, stop this stupid mentality about you walking out in the road and talk about driver have to stop and he must see and can't lick you. Yeah? He don't necessarily have to do it, he or she necessarily have to do it deliberately, you know. Can be an accident for real, but I tell you the amount of things drivers are focused on and the amount of things they have to distract them when they drive. Yeah, you don't need to be one of them distractions. Just take your time, walk good on the road. When you cross, you look good. Yeah. And do your thing, you understand? Yeah, man. It's about midday right now, just after midday, about 2 past 12 noon right now. About 2 past 12 midday. You see stop sign, countryman? The whole heap of thing going on this side right now. Yep. A whole lot of thing right now. So you can tell there's a little difference in the tone. It's people not really, you know, as well would I say tarry. Nobody not tarrying at the town nowadays. Like everybody just doing the thing and just try to get out quick and fast. Nobody not tarry. Yeah, the town kind of have a little scanty vibe to it too. Not a lot of persons who hang around it. Yeah. know what kind of wire that they're running. If it's internet wire. Because right now my internet shaking. Trust me, and so far look at the two internet, them two network, them shaky. This is Spanish Town High School on the left hand side here. That's the uniform you see these kids have on. Yeah. You know? Spanish Town High. Also referred to as Compre. Yes, in my days when we used to go to school and Manning Cup play and them thing there, yeah, them refer to them as Compre. So yeah. Alright, so it looked like down the line kinda congested. Like we see when we reach down there. I think I need another bottle of water. Hey Siri, what's the temperature like right now?
It's about 90 degrees outside.
90 degrees right now in Spanish Town. It's hot, people. Yeah. Come taxi man, stop your nice. I think this is a Young Street, guys. It's always a vibe, people. Always a vibe in Spanish Town. In Jamaica, as a matter of fact. to see somebody selling some water, guys. Go, go, go. Can't take no copyright right now. Go. Go, go, go. Can't deal with this song playing in the background right now. Yeah. No, 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 no. Can't deal with it. Alright. So we're heading to Portmore to get some food. That's what we're doing. Heading to Portmore to get some food. Go on through, youth. Now this road is referred to as school road. Because there's a lot of schools on this road. Great Jonathan Grant on this road. Jonathan Grant High School. Another big bad school when you play Manning Cup too. Yeah, when you hear these school names you have to fret, you know. Charlie Smith, those schools, you have to worry when you hear those names, you know. Big bad schools, them schools. No, no, walk over. No, 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 no. These ghetto people who attend these schools, they live for football and all of that. Sports are for them thing, because they know they live in certain areas, you know, that I like your escape. And I like the uptown life where you go to the park or to the club or wherever. You just group up with your friends and you kick some leather, roll the leather as them say. Yeah. What you doing, bro? Alright. Yeah, so that's cool. But they call it school road here, because you have a whole heap of school on it. Yeah, whole heap of school there on the one road. Alright, so we about now to go across Dumbo Holding. I go across on Dumbo Holding Road right now. So yeah, it's been a journey from morning, not lie. If you're still a watch, love that. If you watch the journey from we just start out to our reach right now, I love that. Give thanks. So these taxi men over that side blowing this guy for him to drive out in the road. His filter light is gone, so he don't have a filter. So he's doing the right thing by waiting. But they're blowing him to drive out in the road. And And then when something clap him, them same one come out and say, oh, him's a fool. Because these taxi man always on a yes. And here the thing, I don't know one taxi man that tell me that he got rich from driving taxi work. So all who driving on this yes and this big rush, I don't know. I don't think you gonna reach out of it. Because I don't know one taxi man will reach out of it. And him always dep on a yes. Always on a yes. Taxi man don't even like passengers, you know. Taxi man, they just like they like to run down other taxis. So if they're driving and a taxi is in front of them, they're racing to go in front of the taxi. Because I see taxi, I'm on the street trying to even get taxi. Taxi driving past. Taxi driving past. Because they're running down the next taxi. So they're not even looking. Yeah, they're not even looking. Now this taxi is behind me. Itching up behind me. Itching up. You soon see him pass. You soon fly past. He's itching up behind me. Something should happen and I should make a sudden stop. Boom. Straight in the car. How him not fly past yet? Ah, him all out long. Taxi man always in a haste, in a hurry. Always in a hurry. They don't like stoplight. They don't like, I don't even know. Taxi man need a road for themselves with other taxi on it. Because they love other taxi man. So they want to see a taxi man and they run driving down and drive and overtake him. That's what they love. Yeah, they don't love nothing else. That's what they love. That's what they love. Oh, he turned off. Guess he's making a stop. Or going for a pickup, I don't know. So yeah, this is Dumbo Holding Road, guys. Also, as I said earlier, guys, let me know if you rather this style of the driving tours, you know, with me talking in the background and stuff, or you like to hear the music. Let me know which one you prefer, or if you want a little mixture, let me know which one you prefer. So just comment and let me know, alright? Phoenix Park Village, fairly new housing development. Alright guys, so I'm now in Portmore. So I'm gonna go get the food at Mega Mart, but I need to make a stop. So yeah, because I need to do something real quick. This is a community of 3 North in Greater Portmore. As I said guys, it's been a journey, trust me. From morning, it's been a journey. I thought I would have reached back though. Thought I would have reached back like a bit earlier. But as you guys can see exactly what happened on the street and stuff. Yeah, but we give thanks, we made it back safely still. I just had to make a quick little stop and some business. So as I said guys, we are heading to Mega Mart here in Portmore to get some lunch. It's you can call it 15 minutes to 1 o'clock. These people drive weird, you know, man. So that little overtake that he overtake, what is that gonna do for him? We really wanna know what that's gonna do for him. Trust me. Approaching the Edgewater community. On my right is the scheme called Bridgeport. On my left is Bridgeview. And we're approaching Edgewater community on my right. And guys, I wasn't gonna hit that dog, I was just trying to scare him. I am supposed to go watch a match later on, guys. Premier League, the playoffs, like the finals, semi-finals. Yeah, I'm supposed to go watch it later on. Well, I want to go watch it later on. So yeah, it's playing at Sabina Park. See how they ride? So they ride, people. So they ride. So they ride. This is the Portmore Mall, guys. Whole lot of taxi. Making noise. It's like them set them for blow them on. Wanna get some papaya from that fruit sky right there. That's when I'm gonna get my lunch first, cause bought some papaya yesterday, but I didn't like it. So it's actually the quarterfinals for the game, because I just pull it up and it's saying the quarterfinals. So yeah guys, as I said, the food here at Megamart, they sell food 7 days a week. So if you even don't cook on a Sunday and you want to get some food from them, trust me, you're not gonna lose half of it. It's good. It's really good. It's real good dread. Real good. Just trying to find a cool spot to park. Nice looking spot. Alright guys, so I'm about to go get the food and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the food. So they never have any fried chicken or barbie fry, but they had sweet and sour. So pretty much to the sweet and sour. And don't mind say the rice look dry. What happened is me tell them no extra gravy, because when them take out the sweet and sour, for all who want foodie like myself, you're supposed to know this. When them take up the sweet and sour chicken, it's gonna have gravy underneath it when they put it down. You get me? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just use the gravy the way I run off of the chicken itself. I don't want an extra gravy. I'm gonna have too much gravy in my plate. And pasta. So yeah. And we have to drink good old water. Please ignore the car seat. I mean, you guys have been with me since morning. You know everything what go on. You know say me that eat a bag of something. So yeah. But this is the lunch. Alright. So right now I'm about to go to my barber. See if I can get a little shave. Yeah, I'm get a little shave because as I said, I want to go to the match later. It's a quarter-final match. Mount Pleasant versus Cavaliers, I think. And Arnett Garden versus Waterhouse. No, Arnett Garden versus Harborview, I think. Yeah. It's a quarter-final. Second leg, Sabina Park later. Yeah. Yeah, guys. So, we're about to eat the food there and call my barber and get to the shop. Yeah.
Hey guys, if you've made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you for watching, and I really appreciate you, okay? By the way, before you go, leave a comment in the comment section. If it's even to say hi or hello, no need to be shy, all right? Talk to me in the comment section, guys. I will respond to you, all right? And until our next video, stay safe.